Hunter model 111027 20-inch box fan from the late 60s or early 70s. This one is a 2-speed as opposed to a 3-speed like my Eagle Aire, my Lakewood, and my Cool Breeze is. Start on high. This is a very powerful box fan too. Clear up on low. And off. Back when I was a teenager, my old neighbor had a Hunter box fan like this one, except his had a metal cage and it had 4 screws holding the blade instead of a single one like this one has. Although that one had seen better days as it was pretty much rusted like crazy, but the motor was still fully functional, surprisingly. I'm not sure what happened to that box fan, but they did use it at some point. Back when I used to sneak it up into my bedroom. And they kind of weren't too happy about me snatching up their Hunter box fan, so I eventually had to return it to them. But nevertheless, a good friend of mine managed to get this one for me, as well as getting the Eagle Aire from another friend of mine. And so I thank him for the Hunter and the Eagle Aire. These are great fans. And let's go to the back so you can hear it run without all that wind noise. I don't know why some fan collectors point the camera towards the wind, but it's just the way they do it. It doesn't matter. Interestingly enough, there was a fan company in Argentina branded Yelmo, and that particular company sold box fans with the same exact Hunter blade set. I'm not sure how that happened. They probably bought surplus blades from Hunter, but they're out there. And for those who live in the 240 volt regions, that's your best bet of getting a box fan with a Hunter blade set if your voltage is only 240 volts. And when you look at those examples, it actually, there's no way Yelmo would have been able to manufacture these on their own. They definitely had to buy them from Hunter as surplus stock. They also used to import various parts from, let's say, General Aire. But it was a shocker when I noticed that Yelmo used Hunter blades for some of their box fan lineups. And as you probably see in comparison, there's pretty much hope for those who just want a Hunter fan in those regions. But there's also something even more interesting. There was a company named General Aire which sold under various brands, and they made their own version of the Hunter blade set. I'm not sure how they got away with copying the blade set. It's possible that the patent for the blade set expired and that's how they probably were able to get away with it. I'm not sure in what year these started popping up, probably mid or late 60s, but either way, those General Aire box fans, literally a carbon copy of the Hunter blade set as well. I highly doubt those were surplus Hunter stock, as the examples shown they had some imperfections with the manufacturing. So there's that. As compared to the Yelmo fans, which there was no way you could tell if they did it themselves or Hunter, which is why I'm believing Hunter made those blade sets and Yelmo bought him a stock surplus. But anyway, that's my Hunter box fan. And after these few shots, it's a wrap. And this has been my daily runner for the past month for this summer season. And as always, thank you for watching.